Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making shepherd's pie. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You will need 5 Yukon potatoes, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 egg yolk, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1/4 cup of red wine, 1 cup of beef broth, 1 medium onion, 1 stalk of celery, 1.5 cups of carrots and peas, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook your potatoes for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, drain off the water and transfer your potatoes to a bowl. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper, then mash your potatoes. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter and your milk. Add the egg yolk and cheese, mix well, then set it aside until later. In a frying pan, add the olive oil, then saute the onions, garlic, and celery for 3 minutes. Now brown your ground beef. Season with the thyme and your remaining salt and pepper. Now add the flour and mix well. Add the beef broth, wine, and tomato paste, then bring to a light simmer. Add the peas and carrots and allow it to cook for an additional 3 minutes. Transfer to a baking dish, then top with the mashed potatoes. Drizzle with your remaining butter, then place in your preheated oven and allow it to cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, allow it to cool for at least 10 minutes, then it is ready to serve. If you're looking for an easy dish that will please the entire family, then give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.